In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM. Whether you are new to Zoho CRM or looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through every step with ease and clarity. So let's get started. First, head over to your Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is your main hub for all the features Zoho CRM has to offer. From here, navigate to the Inventory section. Clicking on Inventory is your gateway to managing sales orders, invoices, purchase orders, and more, so it's a handy area you'll become familiar with over time. Now that you're in the Inventory section, click on Invoices. This is where you'll manage all your billing needs. With one more click, choose Create Invoice. This action will bring you to the invoice creation page, where you will input all the necessary details to generate an invoice for your client. Start by entering the invoice subject. The subject line should be clear and concise, allowing both you and your client to easily identify the invoice. Next, select a due date for your invoice. The due date is crucial for your client to know when their payment is expected, and it helps keep your cash flow consistent. Then, choose an account name. This step is important because it ties the invoice to a specific client or business. If you have multiple contacts, selecting the correct account ensures the invoice lands in the right individual's hands. Additionally, input the contact name. This is the person within the account who will handle the invoice, making sure it gets the attention it needs. It's time to focus on address information. Ensure that both the billing and shipping addresses are accurate, as this reduces the risk of errors in delivery or payment processing. Verify these details carefully, as mistakes can lead to delays. When it comes to invoiced items, this is the heart of your invoice. Enter each item or service you're billing for, along with quantities, costs, and any applicable taxes. Clear itemization helps your client understand exactly what they are being billed for, preventing potential disputes or confusion. After listing your items, select a product name. This step simplifies identifying the related products or services, especially if you frequently invoice for similar items. Now, with all fields completed, it's time to save. Click Save to finalize your invoice. This action records the invoice in your system and makes it ready for distribution to your client. Congratulations, you've created an invoice in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can ensure your invoicing is seamless and professional, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on administrative tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more Zoho CRM tips.